Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Zafar Khan. You are watching ZK Multitech. Friends, today I will explain you low pressure gauge and high pressure gauge. How do you connect? You can see this is high pressure gauge. This one you can use for pressure leak testing, and center one you can see this one you can use for vacuum and also gas charging. And low pressure gauge you can see connect to the compressor for gas charging. This gauge you can use for gas charging and this for leak testing, high pressure gauge. And you can see, if there is clear, this gauge is still 250 psi. Low pressure gauge you can see 250 psi, and high pressure gauge you can see this gauge till 800 psi. These, the white one, this is showing you psi, pressure square inch. And this you can see, this is glass for liquid. You can see the gas condition once you charging. This glass you can see the gas condition, what is the condition. And rest, this is simple red hose you will use for the high pressure. You can see this is connect with the red one. Always connect red pipe with red gauge, so you will not disturb and you will find it easily. And yellow you can use for low port for gas charging and vacuum, and the blue one you can use for the compressor gas charging directly. So this how you can use the low pressure gauge and high pressure gauge.